Kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. And did you know that their favorite fruit po is durian and rambutan? Diba sa siya? Pero Eddie has an older brother. Now may I direct attention to your right side and may call on Uno. Ayan, that is Uno po, the older brother of Eddie. Now Uno, come here boy. Mahihiyain po si Uno sa pagbigyan na po natin, okay? Once again po, we are still working with wild animals as much as we train them. We don't want to change their behavior. And Uno can take all his time po, okay? Ayan. And there he goes. Nagpakita na rin si Uno. Hi, Uno! There he goes. Thank you so much, Uno. Now, while waiting for Uno, you can tag us and follow us on our official Facebook page. That is Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. And for the queries, you can call our contact number 0917-702-5953. Ayun, mukhang nag-stretch pa si Uno. Good morning, Uno. Come here, Uno. Ayun, once again po, we are still working with wild animals po, okay? So, pagbigyan na po natin si Uno. And, nakaabot na rin si Uno. Now, the reason that they're benefiting because they're able to stand on their two hind legs. At ipapakita yan, Uno, this afternoon. And thank you so much, Uno. By the way, your poop or your feces smell like a fresh popcorn. Yes po, however, please do not go near our Palawan Veritas, okay? Because we don't want you to get scratched or beaten po. Okay, once again, their poop or your feces smell like a fresh popcorn. By the way, once again po, omnivores po sila. Kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. But this afternoon, anong kapakain mo po yun, right? Pakita mo. Ayon, saging or banana or fruits. I have a quick quiz for all of you. Anong tawag sa hayop na kumakain ng herbs and grasses? Herbivore. How about karne? Carnivore. How about herbs, grasses, at karne? Ayon, omnivore. Now, ano ang tawag sa hayop na kumakain lamang ng fruits or prutas?
Salad!
Hindi vegan po. Hindi ba?